So good morning guys, welcome to my channel Rider 28. So आज का राइड बेसिकली एक मीट एंड ग्रीट है क्योंकि मैं एनवॉर्ड का मार्शल बन चुका हूँ और ऋत्विज भाई वो लोग के साथ है आज, जो एनवॉर्ड के बाइसिकल काउंसिलर है। तो आज साइकिलिंग मेयर को मिलने वाला है। सो शी विल गाइड अस कि व्हाट टू डू, व्हाट इज़ आवर ड्यूटी एंड सब एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। अभी फ़िलहाल तो मैं अकेला बीकेसी पे खड़ा हूँ, अभी दूसरे सब मेंबर्स की राह देख रहा हूँ। लेट्स। और इसके साथ ही और एक वीडियो आने वाला है। मैंने ये सिलिकॉन लाइट और हेलमेट दोनों लिया था और ये दोनों जूमेबल लाइट्स। सो इसका एक पूरा आई विल शो यू कि कैसी है कैसी नहीं है, पूरा रिव्यू वीडियो भी आएगा एक अलग से। सो स्टे ट्यून। तो सारे जीसीसी के राइडर्स मिले थे, वो लोग जा रहे अभी वर्ली सी फेस। क्या मालूम हमारे काउंसिलर कहाँ रह चुके हैं। आधे घंटे से खड़ा हो यार, मच्छर काट रहे अभी तो पैर में, कुछ तो रहम करो। चलो आते फिर आपको दिखाते हैं उनको वीडियो में।
1 hour later.
पहले कृपा करो, आप किधर थे वो पता नहीं की। एक घंटे से खड़ा हो यार।
मैं 6 बजे शार्प अमर महल था,
मेरे 10 मिनट
मैं ग्रुप पे भी डाल रहा हूँ इसलिए
मेरे 10 मिनट लेट हुआ।
लाइव लोकेशन भी शेयर किया हूँ।
निशान भाई देख लेगा आपको नेक्स्ट राइड पे। वेलकम गाइस अगेन। तो आ गए इधर स्टीफन स्टेप्स पे, तो सब राइडर्स खड़े हुए। दिस इज ऋत्विज एंड Firoza will explain us what to do and what not to. So let's see.
गुड मॉर्निंग।
So, first of all, thank you everyone for coming. I think we can just settle down. Better रहेगा. The work which each councillor does comes over here. It's very very nice. But to understand the infrastructure bit also, Sunay is coming. Sunay, yeah. Could you speak about the infrastructure? Let's check with Sunay. So yeah, we started off as enthusiasts. I cycled to work from Juhu to Dadar, 12 kilometers. So walk the talk tha. I was totally convinced, yes, this is the way forward. We need to build up the entire cycle to work program for Mumbai City. We started giving awards to people. Sofitel was a regular venue every year to give awards to people who cycle to work in Mumbai City. But realized that there's a lot of behavior change. Because maybe it was much ahead of kind of a movement which we are trying to create. So very few people really came into that space of cycling to work and everything. The other program which we immediately realized which requires a little critical mass, and that's a little low hanging for Mumbai City, was the Me Cycle Rider program. Me Cycle Rider program where we are donating old and new bicycles for the not so privileged kids and the people in Mumbai City. So recently we donated one used bicycle to a lady called Asha in K West Ward, which is Patil's ward. She just called me up and she says, my cycle got stolen, I need a bicycle. So that's the Me Cycle Rider program where we donate old and new bicycles. We've kept a target. So our timelines for how many of us know what the vision of Cycle Chala City Bacha is? What the vision which we have kept? Anybody can say?
Bicycle capital.
Bicycle capital.
By 2030, Mumbai should be known as the cycling capital of India.
And how many of us are convinced about the fact?
Everybody.
Absolutely? Okay, great. So we have a timeline.
He is also convinced. Firoza, he is also convinced.
Yeah, he's also convinced. He came like
Sit down.
sit. Ready?
Right? So when we have a timeline, you need to work backwards because we know that this is okay. And currently Mumbai is 97 in the world chart. Okay, Delhi is ahead of us in this, but we are 97. So when we have to really look at, I'm just talking in India, but I'm just giving you the world scenario. This is 97. So what we have decided that we need to spike up ridership because it's a chicken and egg situation, right? Whether we give the infrastructure pehla or we build up the ridership, okay, for Mumbai City. Mumbai City has how many wards?
24.
right? That's why focus is Mumbai, because then you know what? The other Thane, Kalyan Dombivli and MMR, okay? They say that ये आप मुंबई के लिए कर रहे हैं, सही बात नहीं है. But then you know what? Focus. 24 wards. It's itself we know. The core team over here knows. Okay, it is not easy to reach out to all the 24, put in all the effort and everything. So that's where the entire campaign we started off for Cycle Chala City Bacha, and to spike up ridership. It's very clear that we have to reach 1 lakh cyclists. That means people who have made it into a way of life. It's not like recreation kar liya, subah sham kar liya. This is where you will be spike up. And that's what we will do is to the Me Cycle Rider program, where we will donate old and new bicycles to all the underprivileged, because we have about 10 million people in Mumbai who live in slums. Okay, and they don't have any behavior change problem. Kya धूप है and pothole है and all of that. Spoken to enough of the dabba wala, doodh wala and istri wala. All one problem which they all have is the road infrastructure, the pothole and all of that. बाकी उनको traffic से problem नहीं है and all of that. ऐसे अगर वो low hanging है, and every city has their own formula. You know, we can't say Amsterdam को यहाँ पे cut paste करके यहाँ पे कर लेंगे. So let's be very clear that what works for Mumbai city, this will definitely work. And through my experience for almost 9 years, how much ever I wanted Cycle to Work to happen, we did everything. Instant gratification programs, we gifted, we gave award functions, we had all of that. We had commute challenges and everything. We had Sofitel fancy venue for breakfast and everything to get as many people, right? But then this is the only way forward. So I'm just telling all the councillors and everything. So before I begin, okay, I like all the bicycle councillors to come over here, because it's very important. All the councillors over here.
Be careful.
Come here. So before, so where I said, as I told you, Cycle to Work, Me Cycle Rider, and during the pandemic, we started the Cycle Chala City Bacha campaign. It's only because there was a 35% increase of the cyclists in Mumbai city. Now you need to sustain the momentum. Otherwise, जो new normal हो गया, pollution कम हो गया and all of that, and we don't want all of them to go back to the old normal. The cycle ले लिया, अगर वापस फिर से, when you open up the public transportation completely, again people will go back to the same thing of. So, and the second wave would be second-hand bicycles for sale. We didn't want that to happen. We want people who have purchased their bicycle, let them continue riding. With that, we announced the bicycle program. We announced it on June 3rd, World Bicycle Day. 150 enthusiasts, cycling enthusiasts, applied for them. These were one among them who applied. Okay, we took about 1.5 months to screen each one of them, and screening was quite something, because HOS had the maximum cyclists, few from Vicky's ward. Highest among all of those. They all wanted to be councillors, but we had to select one from there, and then we had Zora is not coming. But what we did is, each ward we had a mentor. So we had urban planners, transport planners, and architects who came in and who did all the screening for all the bicycle councillors. So I like you all to introduce yourself and your ward. And what do you do?
Hi, good morning everyone. This is Rutvij. I'm the councillor for the N ward. And I think it's a very interesting thing, because this movement, it addresses two of the major problems that we have. Health, which is not just the physical fitness part, but also the mental part. So health and environment. And this is one initiative which targets both of these major issues. So that's the part which inspired me to be a part of this movement as such. And in my ward, we have about 150 members, of which I think around 50 are active. So what my primary motive is to get people who are on the fence right now to get on the bicycle. So a lot of people are either they are in the stage where they are looking out for bicycles, or they feel, should I get a new bicycle, should I put that money somewhere else or not, and I want to convince them via a community, and form a community around convincing people to, that bicycle riding is something which is not just for recreation, but also for your physical fitness, for environmental benefits, for your mental peace. and that's the movement that we want to bring about in Mumbai, because that is what is going to create this paradigm shift in people's mindset and get people on the bicycles, not just for longer rides, not just for endurance rides and races, competitive racing, but also for daily commutes, for short rides, to go from a single spot in Mumbai to another, to explore Mumbai, those kind of things. What we are pushing is the entire Explore Mumbai concept, wherein we try to plan rides to places which are a little unique and have some either scenery to offer, or some historic fact to offer, or the mural rides in Bandra, something of that nature, so that people are motivated to wake up early in the morning and before work to cycle to these places. So it's been a very good experience now, and I think we're accelerating now with more and more initiatives. So I'm looking forward to seeing a lot more people on for rides all over Mumbai. So cheers.
So this is the whole chart and the strategies to make Mumbai a cycling capital till 2030.
In the market for shopping, everybody gives me way. And the auto wallahs and everybody, they are zapped to see somebody in a full office formal riding a bicycle. So
Finally.
start it somewhere. And I also make it a point that I tell everybody whom I meet in my society, sir, I have started cycling.
Like last time we had that
So this is my second one.
cycle chala city bacha.
Thanks to the team. पेट पूजा पहले यार.
2 hours later.
सो गाइस फाइनली सब मीटिंग सब ख़त्म हो गया, मीट एंड ग्रीट. तो बेसिकली हम लोग का एक्सप्लेन किया है कि मुंबई को 2030 तक कैसे साइकिलिंग कैपिटल बनाया जाए. तो सब ख़त्म हो गया. अभी बैंड स्टैंड पे खड़े हैं, राह देख रहे दूसरे एक साइकिलिस्ट को जिसको इमरजेंसी आई है थोड़ी. ऋत्विज है. मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट राइड पे. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग टिल हियर. So this is Rider 28 signing off.